Have you ever heard a song clip on an Instagram post and wanted to hear the rest of the song? With the new Spotify integration for Instagram, you can. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to add music from Instagram to Spotify. Now let's get started. To add music to Spotify from Instagram, open the Instagram app and find a post with the song you'd like to add to your Spotify. Tap a song name on a post, or tap the audio icon in the bottom right corner of a reel to open the sound page. Then tap Add. If you've already linked your Spotify account to Instagram, the song will be added to your Spotify Liked Songs playlist. If you haven't linked your Spotify yet, you'll be prompted to link your Spotify account now. Tap Link Spotify. Tap Agree to authorize Instagram to link to Spotify. You'll then be redirected back to Instagram and can begin saving songs you discover on Instagram to Spotify. You can easily find the songs you've added in your liked music playlist in the Spotify app. That's all it takes to add music from Instagram to Spotify. Be sure to check out our video on how to share what you're listening to on Spotify on Instagram Notes next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.